He just analyzed the problem of every coin dealer in America.
Check that out.
Very nice.
And I think people are going to jump right back in.
Do you see any change yet in lines, Tim?
Oh, big change.
Way up.
Straight up.
While we were recording?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So get your silver bars while you still can.
Yeah.
So Tim, was that the bottom?
When Americans buy gold and silver, trust matters. SD Bullion is A+ rated by the BBB and trusted with over $6 billion in transactions. Transparent pricing, reliable delivery. SDBullion.com, where America buys physical gold and silver.
The condition of the coin is very important. Whether or not it's ever been cleaned is very important. If you send it out to be graded, they'll more than likely send it back to you and take your money and send it back to you because there are too many things that can happen to a Morgan dollar to make it not really collectible, as if it's been cleaned or if it's got a scratch on it or anything like that. You want to multiply that times 0.77 because in a Morgan dollar it has 77% of a troy ounce of silver in it. So do the math from time to time, and you'll know exactly how much silver it has in it. Now, keep in mind that most dealers that are buying silver are buying it for a little bit less than the actual silver content. And when they're going to go to sell it to you, it's going to be a little bit more than silver content. Okay. But that's about the only way a coin dealer or a bullion dealer can make any money.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Yeah, he just analyzed the problem of every coin dealer in America. The price keeps going down, and then it turns around and goes up, and then it goes down.
You're very patient with him,
Well,
as you always are patient with your customers.
It's hard because unless you follow this market all the time. I mean, I told you I don't get stressed. If I showed you all the deals that I lost money on, you'd be shocked. Like,
I don't think I would be now.
Why are you still here?
Maybe a few years ago I would.
Yeah, I had one that, because we couldn't get what he was looking for and couldn't get it. And so I finally, he said, we've been waiting months for this deal. I said, tell you what, I have something close, I'll send it to you. I lost $8,000 on the deal. How long can you wait? How long can I wait?
Yep.
Yep. He's my age. He only has so many years left. Let's see, give you a 57, that's 57A, 57A. There is 1957A, 1957, 1957A, 1957B. That series, they made 500 million of them every month. Okay? And so they don't go up dramatically in price. These are in nice condition, so they are more or less collectible. If they're in this condition to a dealer, they're only worth $1, and this would be one worth $1. People pull them out of circulation because they're different. These are a little crispy. That one has a star. That's a little better. That one's better. I don't want them to fold anymore. These are more or less like that. Look at your twos.
Are the red seals worth more than the twos? Or?
They are. The thing is that they're only legal tender because the government says they are. This note is legal tender for all debts public and private. Yeah. Because the government says so.
Mm-hmm.
They're not, these at least were backed by silver until they weren't. They're not worth, any of these notes are just not worth a great deal more than $2, and those aren't a great deal more than $1.
The gold is up about 20-30%. Silver's up about 80-90%. So I'm switching from the gold to silver. I'm going to buy some silver here. Plus, I'm going to start buying some silver miners.
Do you think we've hit bottom?
I think we're really close. And with this next leg up, I want to be more in silver than in gold, just because I saw what happened over the last year.
So you're playing the ratio gold to silver at this point.
Yeah. And I think silver's got a lot more going for it.
Yep.
The government keeps printing money. They still got the M1 going up, so I think that's the main factor over the course of time.
Nothing has changed fundamentally, monetarily, fiscally, right?
Yep. Only the prices come down, so that's about it.
What do you think of the inflation?
I think it's, for the most part, short term because it was fairly low before the war. And everybody gets in a panic. You know, like Trump will come out and say one thing and everything skyrockets or crashes. And you just got to sit back and you just got to ride the boat.
He sneezes and everything goes crazy.
Yep.
This could be the bottom,
Yeah, I think so.
and you want in.
Yeah. 'Cause I
Silver.
think people who have owned it for a long time are still holding on to it. And the people who started jumping in when it started to go into $40, $50, $60 an ounce, I think they're selling in, you know, only because they think they're scared it's going to go down even more. And I think people are going to jump right back in.
Do you see any change yet in lines, Tim, with buyers and sellers?
Oh, big change. When it started dropping last Friday,
Right?
we had all sellers and not one buyer. And then Saturday, after it dropped substantially, we had all buyers and no sellers. You know how many sellers for months.
Right.
It's been absolutely crazy. In fact, I have to turn the air conditioning on. It took me an hour to clear enough space for a damn thing to drip.
It is kind of warm in here, Tim.
I got to go back there and empty the buckets, and
I'll do that. I'll empty your buckets for you. All right.
but it's amazing how much I had to move just to put buckets under the air conditioning.
Well, 4 Eagles. 4 Eagles. Is this hard to say goodbye to your Eagles?
I think after the last year, no.
Okay.
Because my silver's done a lot better.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I'm going to buy a little bit of silver today here, plus the miners. And
Yeah.
hopefully when it starts going back up, I get a better return.
Okay, what silver were you interested in?
100-ounce bar.
Just one?
Just one.
I got a whole
I
lot
got
of
my
them.
silver miners with the rest.
100-ounce bar
Yeah.
and miners.
Yeah. I bought a bunch of them off of Tim over the last year and a half, so I'm doing pretty good with that. I got a decent amount of hundreds. I got a decent amount of kilos, some tens, and a little bit of eagles and a little bit of maple leafs. That's basically it.
Now, I made the mistake of putting all these 1 ounce bars in this thing, so now it's really
Do you
heavy.
need me to help you out there?
No, I just need to find room to put things.
You just
These are
need to
just
find
1
room.
ounce bars.
It was about a year ago, I started buying a lot of hundreds. Tim was selling them below spot, so that was good.
Oh, yes.
And the spot back then was only like $38 or something.
You know, they're back to spot. So
There you
they're
go.
Wait, the 100 ounces are
they're gonna
back to spot?
they're a very small amount above spot.
Okay, cool.
Okay, that's a sunshine bar there. Engelhardt's, got a bunch of those.
I'll take one of those, Tim.
Engelhardt?
Engelhard. Nice.
It's amazing. They're still pretty much the most popular. They haven't made them for how long?
Yeah.
What are you here to buy or sell?
I'm just selling some silver. Selling,
Oh,
yeah, just some silver coins.
yep.
Yep.
Because of the price or
for
for the
gas money?
gas money?
yeah, regular
Doesn't make
and
any
diesel.
sense. Just went
Yeah,
up
I
another
run
dollar.
excavators and stuff.
That's not good. By the way, I do like the shirt though.
Oh,
the
thank you.
crabs.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. So what silver specifically is it?
Just some pieces I have. Let's see. Liberties. This is the 10-year 9/11 commemorative.
A few eagles too.
Yep. I
How long
know.
have you had them?
5-6 years. A while.
Yeah,
I
that's good.
I still got a bunch at home, so need a couple hundred to get me back going.
It's very interesting. Oh my gosh.
Enough to make you shake your head.
Yes, definitely.
Wait until you see Tim's reaction to what happened on Thursday. He was speechless. That's kind of rare for Tim. I knew that something big would eventually happen, but I just didn't think it would happen while I was recording in the coin shop. Let me know in the comments below if you were surprised with either the announcement or what happened to the spot price in silver and gold. But there are other reasons, I think, that precious metals are going up now. For the first time in modern financial history, global central banks want gold more than they want American IOUs.
Give me gold.
Gold. Yes, I will give you gold.
There's certain times gold is always certain.
I will give you gold.
Their appetite for real money overtook treasury holdings as the world's #1 global reserve asset. And that didn't happen gradually. Okay, look at that white line. It rocketed up right through $5 trillion and still climbing. Central banks are notoriously slow-moving institutions, but not now, not with gold. And speaking of central banks, guys, if our new Fed chairman, Kevin Warsh, just keeps interest rates steady, he doesn't need to cut rates now. He just needs to not raise them, and gold and silver are going to soar. Silver was up over 11% since Thursday's low. Did you buy any? You'll see what I tried to buy at Tim's shortly. But the other thing I want to talk about is what that stacker mentioned. He was buying, in addition to physical silver, he was buying more mining stocks. Smart man, in my opinion. You think the year-to-date correction in the spot price of precious metals is significant? Look at this chart of the gold miners bullish percent index, the BPGDM. What's the sentiment right now with mining stocks? It's at 0. Guys, that has never happened since I started my YouTube channel. There are literally no more bulls left at all. I mean, could we have witnessed the absolute bottom for not only gold and silver, but for the gold and silver miners? I don't know. But if the fact that this gauge for gold stocks is screaming capitulation interests you at all, please listen up. I have a junior miner I think you should check out right now. And yeah, I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to invest in. I'm just strongly suggesting you check out Canadian Goldfields Discovery, the sponsor of this portion of today's video. Their ticker symbol is CGMXF. Why do I think they're so good? Well, management, insiders, and close associates of Canadian Goldfields owns approximately 30% of the company. Cumulatively, 60% is held by institutions and management insiders. That's skin in the game. I look for that, guys. I also look for fantastic jurisdictions with stellar projects inside them. Northwest Ontario is that kind of jurisdiction. It's a tier 1 jurisdiction, home to over 200 million ounces of historic gold production. We're talking epic places like Red Lake, Timmins, Hemlo, Musselwhite. I don't know if those names matter to you, but they should. Red Lake is known for its amazing, rich veins and some of the highest grade production ever recorded in Canada. Musselwhite has produced over 6 million ounces since the late 1990s. Timmins is called the city with a heart of gold. And the Mile of Gold in Kirkland Lake has produced over 700 metric tons of gold, all combined. Canadian Goldfields Discovery is nestled right in there, guys. They acquired 2 gold assets so far this year, and their flagship asset, the Mininska project, is about to drill real soon. That drilling program is designed to expand the known high-grade zones and then test 7 miles of the largely undrilled corridor. This is the gap that no one has ever touched with modern technology. It's going to be a highly coordinated, comprehensive, sequenced drilling effort to maximize drilling and discovery potential. So if you want to be a part of a company with a resource in the most battle-tested, productive, and geologically amazing gold-producing region in North America, do yourself a favor and research Canadian Goldfields Discovery. Do it today. Their ticker is right there on the screen. It's CGMXF. They're available on select brokerages like Fidelity, Schwab, Interactive Brokers, and E-Trade. All right, Let's get back to Tim at the coin and stamp shop and see this reaction.
65.97. It was
since
just
I left,
66.
since I left the house, it's gone up $4 or $5.
Oh, that could be, yeah. Because the low today was 61.42. When did you leave the house?
I think 11ish.
Anyway, let me just show you what happened so you can, people know that I'm not cheating here. You have to look at the thin green line.
Wow. I am. Yeah, I'm staying in line.
What is it doing? What is that thin green line doing, Tim?
Straight up.
Way up.
Straight up.
That just happened?
$4 or $5.
While we were recording?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's incredible. I wanted the bottom. I was here to buy some silver myself, and I was thinking maybe it would slip into the 50s. So, Tim, was that the bottom?
Depending on what the reason
$4.
is, and it could be related to the war in Iran.
Did you get that at the right before?
That's going to be up to 10.
I know.
Makes it really hard on Tim. Is what it makes it hard.
It does. I mean, it's
Right.
used to be. I left that board out there
Yeah.
because the way it used to be, we'd post the price when I got in the morning, post the price at 1:30 in the afternoon. That never changed
It would never change.
Right. Yeah, that's crazy.
in the good old days.
Good old days. Wow.
But this is really amazing. You get, probably 100 down trades here and one up to brushing against the stratosphere, 66.45. Cap it at 66. How's that?
Okay.
What's gold doing? Is
The
it?
low today was 40.2290. Oops. And now 41.6120.
So it's had the same type of reaction in this in the last hour or
Same
so.
thing. That's the news. Anything on the news?
What's the news? Cog Island? Maybe I don't know, something. It's geopolitical news. Has to be.
So get your silver bars while you still can.
Yeah.
Let me write it up for you.
I think it was getting close to the 200-day moving average, too. And a lot of people...
I thought it broke below it.
Yeah. And a lot of people... And I remember going back 20, 30 years ago, I always thought, wow, but now I see it, and it's amazing how it hits certain things and just bounces. And when it comes to human nature, it's like you never fight it.
That's a nice. I like the flag one. That's cool. Make a great 4th of July gift. Silver bullets. See, I was going to buy some silver today, Tim, when I came in here because I thought we were near the bottom.
We were near the bottom.
Jesus. Oh.
Told you it was a good one.
Oh my. The 50 cal. Check that out.
Very nice. That's cool. Will it really shoot?
I don't think you want to try shooting that.
Trump cancels strikes. It says deal signing.
Trump cancels strikes on Iran. Says deal signing will be announced shortly. There you go. Big jump. He just announces something and boom, there it is. Are you happy?
I'm happy. Yeah, a couple more gallons.
Well, it is an excuse. It's a pure excuse.
You know, I was just talking with somebody else in the line. Tim, they said, wait until this peace deal falls apart within 2 days or 2 hours.
Yeah. Well, that means it'll come back down.
Exactly.
No.
They'll use that too.
No,
Sure
that'll
they
be a
will.
reason, another reason to bump it up.
Some silver coins here. Oop. I'll go with these two first. I'm not sure if I'll get rid of all of them, but I don't know if they're worth more than spot or... I'm not a professional by any means.
Well, the American Eagles are worth more than spot if they're kept encased in plastic.
Right.
Okay, that's important. Otherwise, the only person to buy them would be Yankee. He buys all the imperfect coins.
I do like a good cull circulated silver eagle, right?
Yeah.
I looked at the house on the builder. Then I looked at the house, I said, let's just get rid of it, So we're gonna sell that house, and then take him.
He gave them to me after they tested
It's
them.
not silver.
Oh, this one?
That isn't silver?
Alright,
even though we're not together anymore.
Is that one?
The kids and everything.
Because these
Now
two
we
we got
have
together.
Yeah, that's
So
so.
it's like,
This isn't.
That one is not, though.
That's
It also doesn't look to me like it weighs an
we're
ounce.
fine, you know.
That's very.
I don't know if you want to finish taking it out, just put it on the scale.
Yeah, yeah. Let me do that.
The guy just said it, he's just like he's like
0.26, Tim.
0.26.
Yeah, that's
Kilograms. That's light.
very light.
Yeah.
And the Philippines. the deal
Unfortunately,
with North Korea.
a fake.
We shut the Chinese out of South America.
You bought
I've
that?
had this for a long time. I mean,
Where'd you buy it?
I
If you
feel
don't
like
mind me asking.
I feel like my uncle might have given it to me as a birthday present, possibly. Like I've had this for a long time. I've had this one. I feel like I got these two at the same time. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But yeah, that's funny.
Yep.
I hope I don't have any more of these at the house.
I hope you don't.
No, they're not.
It was the perfect excuse to spike it up. You know somebody made a boatload of
wonder-
money on Wall Street, right, Tim?
Well, they got it up there so they could sell it.
Is this a couple days ago? Oh no.
No, this
is all
This
intraday.
is today.
What's that? Oh, 9 p.
Volatility.
That's 9 p.m.
Yeah.
I see, yeah. Or 9 a.m.
Wow.
So 9 a.m. it was
And this is where it's going. See, it went all the way up here, and it's now down here. So
Yeah.
that's, we got to see where that trend goes.
Wow, what a day to be in here, Tim.
Well, I mean, Trump's message was very well planned.
He was ready for this.
Yeah. Well, by the numbers, it's 232.
okay.
Is that good?
Deal.
all
Thank
set.
you very much. Have a great day.
You
All right, man. Thank you. Take care.
Yankee.
Where are you from?
Near Sacramento, Outer Round Hills.
California. And you came all the way out here.
For the experience.
Well, that's the civilized part of California.
Yes, yes. And to buy some
Oh,
silver.
there's no way you came out here just to see Tim, right?
No, we're doing a big RV thing, so across the country.
Awesome.
That's great.
And seeing America. Yeah, I was looking at maybe some Walking Liberty half dollars. Do you have any
Lots
of
of
those?
them, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, maybe 2 or 3 of those. But then the wife wants to get some of those 45s. So maybe 2 45 bullets, some gifts.
You want some special stuff.
Yeah.
Fun stuff. Christmas gifts. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me help you out on that.
Around $80.
Okay.
Those are fun.
Our son came in here, what was it, about a year ago? Half a year ago?
Oh yeah.
And Dad sent him in, and he came in and bought some silver too.
Wonderful. Nice going, Dad. So we got a stacking family here.
Yes.
The 3 of you?
4 of us.
4 of you?
Yeah, our other son too.
How long have you been stacking gold and silver?
Dan?
Summer of 2023. So not
Summer of 2023.
How much are the walkers going for?
Good question.
Let's see. It's priced by the dollar, right?
It is, yeah.
Yeah. Face value.
Okay.
I've got a 50 cal. I have the 45. Tim, I think I'm gonna grab the shotgun
I like that stuff.
shell.
Sounds
What do you
like-
think,
Yeah,
huh?
those are really expensive. It's a Yankee discount. Twice as
I
much.
got Army cans, you know.
I remember when he first started watching you, he bought the pinger from here and started talking to me about, we got to make sure everything's
Budget
real.
up to $2 because it's like the according to the numbers, it's $1.91. But I'll make it instead of giving you $1.50 and then 4 dimes. You want walkers? Let me give. So it's $2 walkers. I'll give you 4 of them if that's your unless you want to.
Well, 4 sounds good. That's
Okay.
what I was thinking about.
So what do you think about this price volatility we just witnessed today?
It's part of the fun. I don't try and follow it too much. It's just kind of stacking. I don't have any 90%, so this is really my first 90%.
Oh, wow.
So yeah,
Yeah.
you just buy it when you got some cash.
Do you think we hit the bottom? Do you think we witnessed the bottom just now?
There's always a new top. Just wait long enough. There'll be a top, and whether it's the bottom, it doesn't matter. Do what you can when you can. I figured Tim would have what I was looking for. I think the coin shop where we at, he keeps a smaller inventory.
It keeps a small inventory.
Yes. Smart guy, huh?
So
So are the reverse of these all the same?
Yes.
Of the Walking Liberties? Okay. All right. No, these look great. As my first 90%.
So what do you think of Tim and the shop coming in here from California?
It's exactly as I pictured it.
Right?
He didn't clean up for us, but he didn't
He
know
didn't?
we were coming. No.
No, did you expect him to tidy up a little bit for you?
no, I thought maybe you might, but no. Just kidding. It's just a whole bunch of fun. Seeing America, doing the experience, and just hanging out and enjoying life. So yeah.
What's it like stacking in California? And be honest with me.
She doesn't do it.
I don't do anything in California.
The tough part is the taxes. You got to spend $2,000, and this was tax free, right?
Yep.
Here in
Yes,
New
it
Hampshire.
is.
Right. See?
For now.
Yay. For now, yeah, let's keep it that way. Live free or die here in New Hampshire. So yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good to meet you.
Thank you very much.
You live up
What
to
you
your
do.
voice.
Thank you very much.
I live up to my
live up to your
voice.
voice.
Oh well, thank you.
Yeah.